Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. This is a silverware divider. You can buy it online for about 60 bucks, or you can build one yourself. Today I'm going to show you how to build one custom designed to meet your exact dimensions. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to build a silverware divider.
So it started with this. We ordered this for a 12-inch drawer, which is what this is, and this is what they sent us. This somehow is supposed to organize our 12-inch drawer. I don't know exactly how it's supposed to organize our 12-inch drawer, but it is. So maybe they want us to order two. I don't know, but this is 7 inches and this is a 12-inch drawer, so I don't understand how that's supposed to happen. They say that fits the drawer. Okay. So I put it in between a couple of grips to hold it up. This just holds it straight, and this will hold it up. Then what I'm going to do is sand off these corners because it's square cut stock. Then I'm going to turn it flat, and I'm going to sand it down on both sides. I'm going to poly the first coat on these 3 sides, let it dry, then I'm going to flip it. I'm going to poly the last side. Not going to worry about polying the ends because I'm going to be cutting it. I'm going to make 2 pieces that are going to go lengthwise. And by my measurement, that's 19 3/16. Now that I have those placed, I'm going to have a cross member here, and that is going to be about 11 inches. I'm going to go across right here. I'm going to brad that in and glue it. Then I'm going to have 5 compartments, knives, forks, spoons, etc. And then I'm going to have 2 large compartments with another division. And you can make these any way you want, but this is the way that we have chosen to make this one. This is going to be a silverware drawer. So it looks like my next cut's going to be about, I'm going to go 12 3/8, and then I'll probably have to trim it. These screws are sticking out a little bit, and I actually want something to nail to when I put these pieces in for the silverware anyway. So that's why I cut another one. So I cut this one, and then I cut this one that'll go at 11 inches after this, and then I'll put these pieces in after, and then the one divider here. And so what I did is I just made a couple of pencil marks here and here. I'm going to take this piece. With those pencil marks, I'm going to drill 2 pilot holes, and then I'm going to take these 1-inch brads, I'm going to glue it, and then I'm going to brad it in place. You can see I have that front lip in now. So now what I'm going to do is just measure from here to 11 inches and put this piece in. So now I got this piece done and this piece done, and I decided to have something to nail to for that cross piece that I'm going to put here. I'm going to put 5 here, but I'm going to have 1 cross piece here for big stuff and a little big but a little bit smaller stuff. I'm going to attach this, but I'm going to wait to attach this. I'm going to attach this as close to last as possible, and the reason I'm going to do that is when I nail these pieces in, I want to be able to swing my hammer, and I don't want this to get in my way. So I'm actually going to leave that out until the last. Now that I'm looking at it, the gap here is 2 3/4 inches between every single one of these. I was going to squeeze a whole nother compartment in there just for ease of getting in there and getting each piece. I'm just going to make 4, and then I'll make that 1. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from here to here, 2 3/4 inches, here to here, 2 3/4 inches, and all I did to figure that out, measuring device, and I put it at 2 3/4 inches for each one of these gaps. So I'm just going to put a pencil mark, drill my 2 pilot holes for each, put those in, and then do the same thing over here. I have this end piece that's going to go on right here. So I drilled the 2 pilot holes. I'm going to put that last end piece that I was referring to before on first, and then I'm going to put this cross piece on here. I've already made marks and drilled holes.
Hey,
Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. You ever have one of those things where you get a new drawer and you want a nice, neat little way to keep silverware and out, everything like that? These are expensive. They don't ever fit right. So I'm going to show you how to easily, with household tools, build one of these for your very own. You can customize it to any size you want. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to build a silverware divider.